Hey guys, welcome to Ernest Reviews. This is Ernest Felix here. Today I'm going to review about the 7 Fig. This product is launched already yesterday. I'm a little late, but then I would like to review this product because it seems to be a very interesting product. And this is for the affiliate marketers who want to create a free email list. As you know, creating an email list is not that easy. It takes its own time. In 7 Fig, they claim that you can get about 150 to 200 buyers added to your buyers list every day. And this goes as 10x, and the 10x will bring in another 10x, and that is compounded. This is the claim. Let's see how good it is. Let's review about it. And before we start the review, I would like to talk to you about the earnestly awesome bonuses that you will be getting once you decide to buy 7 Fig by clicking the link below and buying it from me. So let's barge in straight to my bonuses. The bonus number 1, you get the done for you logo designs. Get instant access to 38 eye-popping ready-made logos you can use for your products or business. Simply choose a logo and customize it as per your needs. Bonus number 2 is the HDMP4 video backgrounds. It's a full HDMP4 background that engages your audience, get your messages seen, and help you stand apart from the billions of videos on the web. Bonus number 3, your YouTube success guide. Learn how to drive a high volume of quality visitors to your websites with your YouTube videos. Bonus number 4, YouTube ranking tips. YouTube Genius shares secret tricks to instantly rank YouTube videos in seconds, generating huge profits at the same time, all on complete autopilot. And you also get 10 fast action vendor bonuses if you decide to go in for this 7 Fig today. You can click the button over here and you'll go to the sales page, and once you buy 7 Fig, then you'll be getting all the 10 vendor bonuses. Back to the review. What is 7 Fig all about? If you are looking for a way to build a buyers list quickly and easily, then 7 Fig is the best solution for you. This doesn't require traditional opt-in pages, lead magnet, product launches, paid traffic, etc. 7 Fig automates the process of creating a blog, generating premium contents, and capture leads. Plus, it comes with an automatic built-in affiliate marketing system that makes it super easy to make money with affiliate marketing. It is so easy that you need not even have to wait for your affiliate link. Straight away from Amazon and ClickBank, you will be able to do your marketing. This is what software provides you. I have not seen it. I've seen the demo and I find it to be good. And I feel that 150 to 200 buyers list you can create a day is a tall claim, but possibility is there that you will be able to build a list easily in this software compared to any other way or method. Like buying email list, you don't know how authentic that email list is. So I feel this way you have more trust to buy the email list because you know that it's coming through a software that is being generated. But how much the software is going to effectively get you a buyer's list is a question. For the price what they give, $19, let's talk about the prices. The front end is $19, and when you go to close the page, obviously you will get another discount and you'll be paying about $17. So for $17, I think it's worth a try. And they also given you 5 more OTOs. OTO 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 costing about $37, $47, $67 and $97 for the 4th and 5th. And they have not mentioned what it is. Possibility is OTO 1 must be the pro version, OTO 2 may be the reseller version. I have searched around but I couldn't find it. Maybe that $19 itself should do you the trick of getting all the email leads for you. Another thing is you get the 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't like the product doesn't stand up to its name, then you can ask for your money back. The 10 bonuses you will get if you purchase today that will remain with you. They are not going to ask you for it. Also, the sudden fee also will remain with you. So you only get the money back, the product remains with you. Go ahead and try it. And my bonuses, nevertheless, will always be with you. So there's nothing to worry about. Trust it works, and it gives you, if not 150 to 200, it gives you your money's worth. More than buying a list from somewhere, an unknown source, this will be better. This is my conclusion. I will show you the video and the demo. You can have a look at it and you know exactly what you're going to buy.
Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you something amazing. Alright, money comes from list, but building them can be tough and expensive. If you are struggling with any of that, we have an easy solution for you. Look at this blog. We just created it using our brand new software 7fig. This blog targets only customers, help only customers, let's say iPhone customer. It's a content that they need. When they arrive here, they love the info, and this builds trust and relationships. Then the blog cleverly asks them whether they want the info delivered to their email inbox to read and use later. Buyers love this gesture, and they'll give their email address to receive the PDF. The system then automatically generates a PDF and delivers it to their email address. But the system doesn't stop there. It also contains your affiliate link to make affiliate sales commission at the same time. You can see the product advertisement here. Here's your affiliate link. Click on it. So this is how you can earn affiliate commission as well. Go back to the dashboard of our application. This is the dashboard of our new software that lets you build a list of buyers in just a matter of seconds. And you can easily focus on what's important for making sales while your list grows on autopilot. And you can get started in seconds. Now let me show you how it works. Log into your account, and from the dashboard, just go to the content generator and select the YouTube to post. And from here, grab on-seed word from our built-in DFI recharge system to target buyers. You can schedule the post, you can set up the post number, and you just need to run the rules. And these are the posts that I created before. So let me delete them from here. Alright, now let's go to the post section and refresh this page. So you can see that the posts are deleted. Now let me show you how to create new post. Let's say this is my keyword iPhone tips and tricks 2022, and now I just need to click on save settings and select an action from here. Run this rule now. Click on OK. And we're done. We can see that the green check mark is here. Now let's go to the post section and refresh this page. So these are the posts that are generated by the system. So let's visit one of them from here. And this is the page. You can see that this is the post, and you can see that here is your affiliate link. Here's the read later button where the visitor can download the post as a PDF file, and it will ask the visitor to enter their name and email, and the visitor will go to your mailing list like this. So this is how you can use this amazing software, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
So that's it, friends. We came to the end of the review. I hope you like the product, and I hope you like my review. Please subscribe to my channel. Share my videos to your friend. Thank you very much. See you in my next review.